Good morning, children. Welcome all of you here in English class. Children, open page number 103, chapter 15, the letter. Children, how do you communicate with each other? And do you receive letter and send letter to others? In this chapter, we see that there is a confusion by a letter in whole family. Let's start the chapter. Monday noon, the postman gave the letter to 12 years old family, and Emily, in turn, handed it to her younger brother. Between the gate and the door, however, Teddy encountered Robert, and Robert wanted to play. It ended in the letter disappearing around the corner of the house, being fast held in the jaws of a small black and tan dog. Children, it was a Monday afternoon, and a postman came and gave a letter to a young girl named Emily, and she gave the letter to his younger brother, and Teddy gave the letter to Rover, and Rover was going to play, and he was in hurry, and they put the letter into the corner of the house, and there was a dog who was small and black color dog. It took the letter in his mouth, in his jaw. It happened very fast, one by one. बच्चों, इसमें यह मंडे का दिन है, आफ्टरनून का समय है, और एक पोस्टमैन आता है और एक लेटर एक लड़की को पकड़ाता है जिसका नाम एमिली रहता है, और वो लेटर वो अपने छोटे भाई को पकड़ा देती है, टैडी को, जो और टैडी उस लेटर को रोबर नाम के एक लड़के को पकड़ा देता है। और रोबर बहुत जल्दी में, क्योंकि वो खेलने जा रहा होता है, इसलिए उसने वो लेटर घर के कोने में रख दिया जहाँ पर एक छोटा सा ब्लैक कलर का डॉग है, और वो डॉग जल्दी से जाता है और अपने मुंह में उस लेटर को उठा लेता है। 5 minutes later, the assembled family in the dining room heard of loss and demanded an explanation. After 5 minutes, the whole family gathered in the dining hall for meal, and they heard about the letter and they wanted to know about the letter. 5 मिनट के बाद पूरी फैमिली डाइनिंग हॉल में इकट्ठा होती है, और जब उनको मालूम होता है कि लेटर गायब हो गया है तो वो इसके बारे में पता करते हैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन देते हैं, मतलब बातचीत करते हैं कि लेटर कहाँ गया और किसका लेटर था। It was not 10 minutes ago, mother stammered Emily defensively. The postman handed it to me and I gave it to Teddy to bring in. But whose letter was it? Demanded several voices. Emily shook her head. I don't know, she faltered. Don't know? Why, daughter? How could you be so careless? Cried Mrs. Clayton. It is probably that note from the Bixby they were to write if they could not come, but I should like to know what they said. Then Emily said that before 5 minutes, a postman came and gave me a letter, and she gave it to her brother Teddy. Then everybody asked her whose letter was that, but she said that she did not know about whom. Then her mother scolded her for her carelessness. She said that it might be from Bixby's letter, and he wanted to know about them. तब एमिली कहती है कि 5 मिनट पहले एक पोस्टमैन आया था, उसने इसको लेटर दिया था, और उसने उस लेटर को अपने भाई टेडी को पकड़ा दिया। तो सभी पूछते कि वो किसका लेटर था। तब एमिली बोलती कि उसे नहीं पता वो किसका लेटर था। तब उसकी माँ उसको बहुत डांटती है उसकी लापरवाही के लिए, और कहती है शायद ये बिक्स बाइस का लेटर होगा जो उनके बारे में जानना चाहता होगा। But it might have been to me, cut in Ethel. There was a sudden exclamation across the table too, as James, the firstborn, pushed back his chair. Confound it, Emily, you have got us in a pretty mess. It so happened I was looking for a letter myself. he snapped as he jerked himself to his feet. See here, Teddy, where did that rascally little dog go to? Come, let us go find Robert, he finished. Then Ethel said in the middle that it might be his letter, and all were confused. He said to Emily, in the mess time we have gathered and know about the letter. He tapped his feet on the floor angrily. He was angry with Teddy and said that we should find Robert, that by his mistake dog has done this foolishly work. तब एथल कहता है, बात को बीच में काटता है और बोलता है कि शायद ये लेटर उसका हो सकता है, और वो एमली से कहता है कि हम लोग यहाँ पर मेस में डाइनिंग हॉल में इकट्ठे हुए हैं और लेटर के बारे में जानना चाहता है। वह गुस्से से अपने पैर को ज़मीन में पटकता है और गुस्सा होता है और वो कहता है टेडी कि ये बेवकूफ़ी से ऐसा हुआ है, और फिर वो रॉबर्ट को ढूंढना चाहता है जिसकी गलती के कारण डॉग ने ये बेवकूफ़ी वाला काम किया, जिसने उसको लेटर को अपने मुंह में डाल दिया। सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप you have understood these lines very well, and next part I will explain in next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.